Hey everybody, this is a video to teach you how to use flipgrid. I know some people have contacted me and said they were having trouble getting into it. So if you go to flipgrid.com, you're going to scroll down to enter a flip code. Now for the 5th grade flip code, it is Maxwell 114. You do not have to capitalize. 114 is our room number. And then for the 6th grade, it is Maxwell 0421. Okay? For this tutorial, I'm going to go into the 5th grade one. Okay? Once you move forward, you are going to you're going to get the grid, which is the 5th grade attendance question. Make sure you're in the right one. Grid password is also Maxwell 114. That is for both 5th grade and 6th grade. So click on Let's Go. Alright, you're going to get into the questions. If you scroll down, you're going to see Media Monday. Looks like Ethan and Levi and Mason. Awesome. Can't wait to read those. If you click on 5 topics, it's going to drop down. Here's Trivia Tuesday. It was yesterday. Again. Oh, awesome. I love seeing the faces. And then today would be Would You Rather Wednesday, and looks like I have a few responses to that as well. Would you rather give up your phone or give up junk food? And tell me why. So I'm excited to read those. Okay. To record one, so let's go to this is where you can watch and then respond to each other's. To record one, you click on the plus arrow. You will have to log in. Just log in with Google. You can log in with Microsoft, either one. Google seems to be easier. Just use your school email. For this tutorial, I'm going to use my home Gmail because I've used it before. You will have to allow your camera, allow your microphone, and so on. And then you should be able to record your response. It's pretty easy to follow. The reason why it's not coming up on mine is because I'm using the phone. I'm using the camera for this tutorial, so I'm going to go back out. I'm going to show you also how you, this may or may not work. May or may not. So anyway, there is an app on your phone. Oh, looks like the plus. And it's going to ask you to, sorry, I guess it's not working. There's too much glare. It's going to ask you to type in the codes, and you're just going to have to enter the same flip codes. This is actually easier on your phones or on your iPad or devices or anything. So I would use your devices rather than the computer, but some people don't have that available to them. Okay, so if you have any more questions, I'm excited to read these. But if you have any more questions, feel free to email me, and I will get that information to you. Okay?